Hello, today I'll explain how to manage multi-unit of measurement in Vatrix POS and ERP. First go to admin settings. Here you can choose either inventory control or average cost control and enable multi-unit of measurement here. It is enabled now. Close this page. Now create item using item master. For example, I'll add Pepsi 300 ml and description. Now click on N, new unit of measurement to create multiple unit of measurements. Add each and conversion value 1. Now add box. If box contains 6 units, you can add conversion rate value as 6. Click on add and close this page. Now select each one unit of measurement. Also write the purchase price. For example, I'll write 3 and selling price as 6. Now enter the barcode manually. For example, I'll write 3, or you can scan if it is available in the product. Now click on create item code here. It is created successfully. So the item code is created for each one unit. Now you can link barcode for box. So at the top you can see link barcode option in front of unit of measurement. So Pepsi default item code is selected here. Now you can scan or enter the box barcode here. For example, I'll write 4. Or you can keep the same description or update it for the box. Now select box as the unit of measurement. Now you can write the purchase price here, which is 6 into 3, 80, and selling price 6 into 6, that is 36. Now click add to save. Now the box unit of measurement is linked to the item. Now you can open goods receipt note to make the purchase entry. Select supplier. Now you can scan the single unit, or you can also manually write the code here. Okay. Now you can edit the item description here. Also you can edit the unit of measurement, quantity and price as well. Okay. Now click on save and approve. So single unit 1 and unit for box it is 6 units. So total is 7 units. If you are clicking on this here, you will get the 7 units. Okay. Now you can go close this page and go to invoice. So here you can scan the box barcode or you can scan the item barcode. So right now I am taking the item barcode here, single unit here, each one. Now you can make the invoice by selecting the payment method, cash or card, and click on invoice. Okay, so single unit is invoiced now. Now you can go to stock report. Okay, so initially it was one box 6 units and one single unit is there, so total 7 units. So after selling one single unit, the remaining stock is 6 unit. So you can check the stock here, 6 quantity. So in this way you can manage multi-unit of measurement in Vatrix POS and ERP. Thank you.